Hello, today we are going to make some envelopes like this, some decorative envelopes. So all you need is a craft paper, this is an A4 size craft paper, scissors and glue. And for decoration you can use almost anything, whatever you have for decoration, like maybe some quilling strips or some kundan stones. On this I have made some dot painting with acrylic paints. So basically anything which will make it look beautiful. So let's start making the envelope. So first we will fold this envelope, this paper for the envelope towards the center. Now approximately this is the line at the center. So from one side I'll fold it towards the center. Now from the other side also I will fold it towards the center but overlap a little bit. So I will fold it and I'm going to overlap just a little bit, around a centimeter or less than a centimeter. See, I have overlapped it just a centimeter. Now we will stick it. So with the glue, apply some glue on this and overlap the paper on it and stick it. So we will have something like this. Now we have to seal the base of the envelope, and this will be the open part. So for sealing the base, first fold 1 centimeter and open it. Now from this folded part I will draw a cross line like this. After drawing the cross line, I will cut it. So both the sides, cut it. Now when you open this, you can see 2 flaps. I will cut only the flap which is in the front. This is a flap where I have stuck the piece of paper. Okay, only this one I will cut on this folded line. I will not cut this one. So I have cut out this and now we will seal it. So apply some glue, spread it and seal. This is the bottom of the envelope. Now let's come to the opening of the envelope, the mouth of the envelope. It's the same procedure that we have done for this, a little bit of change. Now instead of 1 centimeter fold, for the mouth of the envelope, we will fold 1 inch. 1 inch is around 1 digit of your finger. After folding, open it. Now for the base we had cut cross, but here instead of a slanting line from the folded point, I will just draw a curve. It is not a cross line, it is just a slight curve. I'll cut this first. A slight curve. Now again we can see 2 flaps. We have to cut off this flap. Now the only difference here is, instead of cutting on this line, I'm going to cut a little below. How much below? I'll first draw a dotted line for your reference. This is the folded line, the line that we already have where we have folded. This is the dotted line. So approximately from the center, mark around half a centimeter below it. So this is just a half centimeter below this. I will join this point to both these ends of the line. A straight line here and a straight line here. Now I will cut this V shape. this looks like a V shape. So I will cut only this piece, not the back flap. Only this one flap I will cut. From here, a slight V shape. It's a V shape and I have cut it. Now this will be the mouth of the envelope. But we will not stick this, because while gifting we need to put something in and then we can seal it. So this is all about the back side. Now the front side is neat and clean. Here we can do some decoration. If you have some quilling flowers, you can make some quilling flowers and stick like this along with some leaves. You can also use kundan stones. Now the decoration that I am going to make is with the quilling papers. I am going to stick a few lines. So I'll take one strip. I will first apply glue on the envelope wherever I need the lines. So I'm going to have a few lines like this. Then let's start sticking. One piece here. Cut off the extra. The same piece here. If you do not have quilling strips, if you want to stick it like this, you can cut strips with the regular craft papers. Regular craft papers also you can cut strips and use it. Only thing, these are ready-made strips. Now according to this edge of the envelope, I will cut off this extra part. But see that you do not cut off the part of the envelope. So this is done. I will make some spiral roses like this and stick. So how to make the spiral roses? I'll first draw and show you. On a paper, first draw a circle. Then from the edge of the circle, draw a spiral going inwards. Now we have to cut on this line. So first cut out the circle, then cut the spiral, if you have a quilling tool, you can use a quilling tool to roll it, or else you can use your fingers. Now start from this end and keep rolling it around. You can use a quilling tool that I said. So keep rolling it around like this. It will not be a tight coil, it will be a loose coil and a little curved. So after you roll it, at the end apply some glue on the circle and keep this flower on it like this and stick. Hold it for a while till it sticks properly. And then I'll stick it here. You can make the same pattern from this side and arrange it Now I'll tell you how to stick some kundan stones on it. I'll stick some blue colored stones. So first apply glue on the paper wherever you want the kundan stones. So I have applied glue on 5 places. Now with the tip of the scissors, touch the glue and then you can pick up the kundan stone like this and stick it here. Pick up the kundan stone and stick it. This is an easy way how to stick the kundan stones. Otherwise it becomes a little difficult to use your fingers because the kundan stones are very small to handle, and if you have some glue stuck on your fingers, it will stick on your fingers again. It's difficult to remove. Now once it dries, the Fevicol will become transparent. So like this, you can make your own beautiful decorative envelopes.